Storm Sun Ka, the fifth storm formed along the Vietnam coast this year, brought heavy rains to Da Nang from Friday afternoon until early Saturday morning, inundating the entire central city, with houses submerged by 1.5 meters of floodwaters in many places. In Thua Thien-Hue, on Saturday morning, rising water levels along the Huong River inundated Hue tourist town and surrounding areas. Flood levels at 0.30.8 meters affected around 11,200 homes. From midnight to 3 a.m. Saturday, the average rain level in the area was recorded at 400-550 millimeters, with some areas reaching as high as 735 millimeters. At around 11 p.m., the intersection of Thua Tham and La Duan streets in Da Nang's Thanh Key district was under 1 meter of raging water, leaving about 30 cars stuck in the middle of the road. Power outage hit many areas in Da Nang at around midnight Friday, and many residents could not contact the authorities for help as their phones were out of batteries. The police, military and local authorities were dispatched to flooded areas with boats and strings to get people to safety.